Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, and today I got some special news. Actually, I had a great day. I had a truck drop off something today. I want to show you right there, brand new to the Fire and Water Cooking patio deck, is the Hasty Bake Gourmet 257 stainless steel charcoal grill. Still got to get it out of the box, but I can't wait to get this out of here. I'm going to get it unwrapped, get it set up, and I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from Fire and Water.
Alright guys, first of all I want to say I was very impressed with the shipping and packing of this grill. It all came in one package, had no problems whatsoever with the shipping or the packing. Everything was perfect. If you're not familiar with Hasty Bake grills, I suggest you take a look at the link below. You can also find them on Amazon. Hasty Bake has been around since 1948, believe it or not, out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. That's where they're actually made in the USA. They make several different models, from their legacy model to the Suburban to the Pro model, and this is the actual Gourmet stainless steel. They also make some in powder coated steel. They also make some portable models as well. Check them out. They can have a model, I'm sure, that's good for you. The overall design of this smoker is very unique. It has a adjustable charcoal tray, and we'll get into that when we do our walk around. But here's how we unpacked it. It was very easy. Pretty much the hardest part of the unboxing was just getting this plastic and insulation unwrapped from it. But it really only took us maybe a half an hour to complete the whole thing. So I'm going to show you how we did that, and I'll be right back.
Alright guys, I got the box out of the bottom of the Hasty Bake, and look at that. Like I said, it's about 85% already built. I don't have to put any wheels on. I don't have to put in the adjustable charcoal grate. Don't even have to install the temperature gauge. It's already on there. It's a Tell-True high quality temp thermometer on there. So we're going to open up this box that pretty much has just the remaining parts in there. I want to introduce my son, Craig Wilson, from Squappy's videos and tech and drone videos. He's got his Squappy's videos. He's got his own channel on YouTube. Check it out in the link below. All right, guys. This here is the top shelf of the grates for the Hasty Bake.
Where's it go? Right up here?
Yep. Go ahead and open it up.
How do I open it up?
Just lift it right up.
Oh, I didn't even realize that.
Yep. So this goes right here on the top.
Ow!
Look, I hit him. It's right here on the top. Slide it right in. Right on top there. Look at that. Fits right on top. Got the shelf. Side shelf. This is also for to pick it up, and when you wheel it around. Let's just put that over there on the other side here for now. Look out. Careful. This is the grease rod. Goes in the side there. Just put it on there for now. This is the front shelf table that attaches right to the front. Let's just put that over there on the side for now. All that stuff has a protective coating on it, so it protects the stainless steel from getting all scratched up and shipping in the box. These are the grill grates, and these are stainless steel as well. And one of the things is unique with the Hasty Bakes is, if you can see that, guys, it's a V shape. The grates run down into the middle on both sides here, and what that does, that little grease rod, it feeds all the grease down into the grease rod, and that feeds it out of the cooker. And I'm going to show you that once this gets all put together, and we can see how this operates. Ow! Sorry. And here's the other grill grate. Heavy duty stainless steel, high quality. This here is the cup holder, the grease cup holder. It goes on the side. We'll put that over on the side. Actually, these are the little grease cups that it holds. What do I got here? It's our handle and our crank. They're all greased up in there, ready to go. Our instruction manual. We'll have to look at that. This is our charcoal basket, which has the grates on the bottom, so the ash falls through to the, go ahead and pull that off of there.
This?
Oh, that should slide right off of there.
Oh, I think it slides off the other way. Yeah, here, let's flip it around.
That's the, here, that's actually, let's take that take the grate out. Just pull the grate out. Alright, I want to get this off because this is the heat deflector for when you want to use the grill as a smoker. Like I said, all these stainless steel parts are all covered in a coating to protect them in shipping so they don't get all scratched up. This is the charcoal basket. It's where you put your charcoal, falls through, the charcoal ash falls through to the ash pan in the bottom. Alright, and that's it. It comes with a box of fire starters. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. We're going to get this thing all put together and I'll show it to you when it's done. Alright guys, literally less than a half hour to get this thing set up. Pretty much the hardest part of getting this grill set up was pulling off this film that was on the stainless steel shelf, and I had my son actually did most of that work. Yep. So he did all the hard work. But literally, it's take stuff out of the box. There's a couple screws, put your handle, your handles on, and that's about it. I mean, really nothing else. This shelf slides right on. Everything else, you just slide it into the grill where it's supposed to go, and it's ready to go.
It already was too.
And it's, like I said, very easy to do. It's really hot here in Florida today, so that's why we're sweating. But it's probably about 90 degrees and about 90% humidity. That's the only thing that's making us sweat. But very little work to put this thing together. Very happy with that, of course. But I can't wait to show you with some great cooks on this thing. I'll do a little bit more of a walk around tomorrow and kind of go in and out with everything that this thing has and what it can do. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the Hasty Bake Gourmet 257 videos on the Fire and Water Cooking channel. Thanks for Craig for being in my video. He's down visiting from North Carolina, so I thought it would be a great time. This showed up today, so it was great timing on that part that he was able to help me with this. Thanks again. Check out Squappy's videos.
Yes.
He does drone videos, tech reports, all kinds of reviews. Check them out, and then like, subscribe, share Fire and Water Cooking, and check out the Fire and Water Cooking podcast Facebook page and group. See you on the next one.